Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Funny jokes. Stop sign, it's not angry, it's just saying pause your life for one dramatic second. Construction cone, be like, sorry for the delay, but character development takes time. Police sirens aren't yelling, they're saying, excuse me, important adulting happening. Gas pumps are proof that our vehicles are just thirsty robots. Compass says, recalculating, which is polite talk for I trusted you and you let me down. Tired, don't complain, but definitely feel spotless emotionally. Life lesson from a life boys. It's okay to float sometimes, you don't have to swim hard every day. Anchor reminds us to stay grounded unless it's vacation time. Bus stop are social expressions where everyone pretend not to look at each other. Subway teach a patience. You'll get there, just enjoy the tunnel drama. Traffic lights are real bosses. Green says go, yellow says think fast, red says sit and reflect. Oil barrel, I'm slippery, mysterious, and part of spy mission. Scooter look fun until you realize balance is the full-time job. Subway, underground, the adventure incoming mind gap. Roadblocks are making your detour more exciting and stressful. Gas pump, fill me up and I promise I won't judge your spending habits too much. Bicycle teaches teamwork. If one wheel give up, the whole plan collapses. Compass lost, don't worry, I got your back. Rose, I'm classy, I'm fancy, yes, I judge your garden design. Hibiscus, relax, so sip a tea, enjoy the sunshine, maybe take a nap on the hammock. Tulip, I'm quiet, I'm elegant, your lawn look messy next to me. Lotus, drama, nope. Stress, not here, try floating in water is cheaper than therapy. Cherry blossom, I come, I dazzle, I leave, kind of like your last online date. White flower, excuse me, could you water me properly and maybe apologize for stepping on my petals? Rosette, I made everything around me beautiful without even trying, no big deal. Lavender, breathe in my scent, okay, relax, now forgive that guy who break your heart. Sunflower, always face the sun and your bad days too, good vibes only. Daisy, laugh at yourself, dance in the rain.